What's the meaning of amenity? Amenity. 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 Amenity.
An amenity is a feature or service that adds to the comfort, convenience, or enjoyment of a place or experience. It can refer to anything from basic necessities such as clean water and sanitation, to luxury offerings like spas and entertainment centers. Amenities can be found in various settings including residential areas, hotels, parks, and public spaces. They are often considered important for attracting and retaining tenants or customers, and can have a positive impact on overall satisfaction and quality of life.